Get him, babe. Get him. Get him, babe.
I knew you were going to fucking do this. This is called a whitewash.
Get him, Diddlin.
You're playing something. You go damn cupboard. Stop that. Should you get the other glove too?
Why you let your guard down?
Here, Wayne, at least I have a blanket for you.
No, you're gonna get it all wet.
Hey. What are you guys doing?
You're not gonna do him. You're not gonna get him back.
Huh?
You're not gonna get him back.
No.
Why?
Have fun.